Hey guys, welcome to my channel All Editing Material. So friend, in this video I have brought a huge beautiful collection for you and made zip file of all these things. If you want to download it, please watch full video because I have set up password on zip file and you will find password in the video. If you want to contact me, you can join my WhatsApp or Facebook group, or you can follow me on my social accounts. Thanks for watching. I hope you will like my collection. Please like, comment, share my videos and subscribe my channel for the latest editing material.